All environmental issues are global issues. If Brazil destroys its rainforest, the world has lost its lungs. If South Africa destroys the white lions, the world has lost its heart. The ASSEGAIA Conference is happening now because of the crisis on this planet. Ecosystems are collapsing, human systems are collapsing alongside them. If these sacred sites are protected, this establishes a grid of protection around the globe.
Sacred sites are very important. They are actually the organs of Mother Earth. So they need to be healthy.
The ASSEGAIA Alliance is such a critical next step in terms of ensuring protection of our Earth. And so we need to bring together the protection in terms of what is sacred and in terms of what is regarded scientifically as needing protection. And as we know from the lions, there's so much strength in being a pride in what can be achieved as opposed to being an individual.
One of the key things is about the solidarity element. Indigenous communities are being much more open and coming out much more openly about the time we find ourselves in, and at this point sharing knowledge. And if you look at some of the more recent UN scientific reports, especially on climate, the role of Indigenous communities are being much more valued now. Finally, those voices are being heard.
To remind the people, to let them connect with the nature, because without nature there's no life.
The plants, they speak, they sing, they dance, the trees, the oceans and the rivers. They call the people, they are the noise, they are the joy. They make it the assembling. They are connected at once.
The sacred site is not a site that is chosen by man. It is a site that is chosen by nature because of the web of life that it brings together within its folds. And if we don't protect these, we don't fight for these, if we lose these, all is lost.
Everything which is not made by human being, including human being, is Mopo. When we look up at the sky, we say we see the light of Mopo. The stars, the moon, even the sky is Mopo. Nature for us, we say is Mopo.
As all indigenous and local peoples would tell you, if you ask anyone from across the globe, that these sacred sites are there to protect us. They provide the energy that ensures we continue. And so the activation of these sites becomes absolutely crucial.
Different sacred sites connect with each other to form a grid that keeps the planet in alignment with itself, but also to keep the planet in alignment with its place in the solar system and the galaxy and in the greater cosmos. It is able to energize or connect the great web of life.
Our mission is actually to connect, to create a network, just as it is in nature, of resources, starting with people, starting with these indigenous traditions, the keepers. They are here to teach us about Mother Earth, the needs. We want to tell the world about the importance of sacred sites. We do have the chance to act and to change our behavior.